if I'm in a brokerage or a buy side, and I took Boltzbit and Unity tomorrow, what would be my 3 first use cases that I might implement?
Number one use case would be around data aggregation. And that's not only consuming data from Unity, but also normalizing and feeding data back to Unity from the markets or from any unstructured sources that clients have at their disposal. Number 2 is being able to create reports for your clients, for your brokers on the fly using natural language and visualize those on the spot. And number 3 would be around decision making. And one example I can give you is what customers in fixed income do. And it's probably the biggest headache, is to decide where to trade and who to trade with. That information is usually warehoused in traders' heads, and this is what they get paid money for, to know where to go for the liquidity. But they would like to also offer a copilot that is able to recommend. So broker selection, venue selection with a custom large language model that essentially performs a machine learning function to output a recommended avenue of execution.
This is one of the key reasons that when we released Unity as an architecture, we actually included the pre-trade automation elements of the Quod trading application inside the Unity layer. So it's possible to build rules, it's possible to build automation, it's possible to weight decisions and manage your order flow using an AI layer, interacting directly with a rules-based automation engine, which we've had for years. But the challenge has always been getting people to input those rules, to get from people's experience, from their biases, from their knowledge base, to write those rules and to codify them. And the key benefit, I guess, of a custom AI model is you can train that to the preferences of the business, to the preferences of the individual trader, and have them apply that automation directly into the workflows of your existing systems without having to change OMS or EMS.
You can just talk to the model and let it translate what you just gave it as feedback into code or into feature or into a rule. Of course, with some supervision on top of that, but the access to human experts' knowledge has been unlocked. And that's because of the technology we provide on top of the customization of those large language models, being able to take the feedback immediately and improve the model on the spot without waiting for the new version of the model to come in the next 6 months. You want models to adapt fast, you want them to react on new data and on user feedback so that you're in tune with the market and you can actually perform. Otherwise, you work with still outdated models that have no knowledge of any information or feedback they've received.